Imagine for a moment that one day, due to some strange and unfortunate event, our company vanishes overnight. How would that impact our clients? Well, apart from having to lower their standards for quality, nothing much would change. Our products are successfully marketed on an international scale, but the world of valves is a small one. Therefore, after a few months, the competition would fill the gap, and business would surely return to normal again. Could that be why we do what we do? To compete with our competitors? To keep them from filling the gap? Hardly. Not at all, in fact. That's not our raison d'être at Belven. So, why do we do what we do? Maybe it's because the foundations of our company were built on a traditional family business, or because we're totally independent and combine reliability and friendliness to produce a business with the flexibility of a private company. We've been designing, manufacturing and distributing valves for 4 decades now, and over the years we've gone from strength to strength. Today our sense of quality is innate, and our products are among the most reliable. They meet the highest standards because any less just wouldn't be good enough. We aren't in competition with anyone but ourselves. We strive after the perfect valve. As we've said, after 40 years in the valve business, quality has become second nature to us. This gives us the chance to focus our attention and our efforts on something equally important: our clients and our agents. Although they're spread over different continents, our relationship with them is a close one, maybe even more than they realize. These partnerships, which seem almost familial, are part of the reason behind our success and steady growth over the last few years. But what is the ultimate secret behind our success? The X factor that makes us the preferred partner of so many businesses? Well, here it is. We like to think that it's because of the great pride we all take in our company. A pride that goes beyond the production and distribution of top-range valves. We're convinced we have a role to play in society. That's why our Belven Foundation supports the talent and health of young people in art, sports and business. Being a relatively small team of highly specialized people fosters an atmosphere of dedication and a strong desire to do good. We think this sentiment has little to do with the business we're in and everything to do with the mentality we maintain. After successfully helping out our customers, our staff just can't help themselves from having a beaming smile. Welcome to Belven. We're proud to be more than invalved.